Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate your Harvard Pilgrim Health Card, member setup guide step by step clearly. To activate your Harvard Pilgrim Health Card, begin by locating your health card. Ensure you have your member identification number ready. Visit the Harvard Pilgrim website using your preferred web browser. Once there, look for the Member Login option on the home page. Click on the Member Login link. If you are a first-time user, select the option to set up a new account. You will be prompted to provide your member identification number. Enter your identification number in the given field. Next, enter your date of birth for verification purposes. Follow the on-screen instructions to create a strong password. Confirm your password by entering it again in the designated field. Fill out any additional required information, including your contact details. Review all the information you have entered to ensure accuracy. Once confirmed, submit your registration. You may receive a confirmation email to verify your account setup. Check your email and follow any instructions provided to complete the process. After your account is activated, return to the Harvard Pilgrim website. Log in with your newly created credentials. Once logged in, you can access your health card details. Save or print your health card for easy access when needed. If you encounter any issues, contact customer support for assistance. You are now ready to use your Harvard Pilgrim Health Card. Enjoy the benefits and services available to you as a member. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.